Guys, I hear the church bells. I hear it. Mommy, they are chiming. It's still chiming. Guys, I still hear it. Guys, I still hear it. Did you guys hear that? We heard it. But hello, you guys. So my name is Joshua Cohen, but today we were at the spring pond. But today we're gonna listen to the church bells at 5:00 p.m. in the evening. But today is Sunday. We have 7 minutes. It's 4:53. But we might hear another church bell. Wow. They're my favorite. So that's why we're gonna listen to the church bells at 5:00 in the evening. I heard it like 2 minutes ago. Wow. My favorite. You might want to see it moving. Oh! We have 5 minutes. 4 minutes before that bell chimes. You might want to hear another church bell. We were at the spring pond today. Mommy, hear it once again! I hear it again. Oh, Mommy. It sounds like the same as our church bell. It sounds like the same. Wow, Mommy, I hear it again. Wow, I hear it again. Wow. I still hear it. still chiming, but I don't want to be in the sun. Guys, I still hear it. Wow, that bell's chiming again. Oh my god. Oh, I just saw the clock moving. Oh. Is it done? Oh my god. Mommy! I heard it again! Then after that, they're gonna do the Westminster chimes. 3 minutes! It's 5:57. I mean, it's 4:57. Can't believe it. Can't believe it chimed again. Oh, 2 minutes before that bell chimes, and that bell's gonna chime in 2 minutes. We still have 4 minutes. I mean, we still have 3 minutes. It's 4:57 still. We were at the spring pond today. Then we're gonna hear the Westminster chimes. Still 4:57. We got time. Oh, 2 minutes! It's 4:58. 2 minutes. But you might want to see it moving. It's gonna be 5 o'clock soon. Oh! 1 minute before that bell chimes, and that bell's gonna chime in 1 minute too. Almost 5 o'clock! That's why we're gonna listen to the church bells at 5 o'clock today. We're back from the clock one. I upload 283 videos. It's still 4:58. We got time. We still have 2 minutes. Still 4:58. 1 minute! It's 4:59. Oh my gosh. Man, 1 minute. 1 minute. 4:59. Mommy, hear it! 5 o'clock! Whoa, yeah! 5 o'clock! It was so much fun. Hey, yeah, talk about exciting. Gosh, we sure hope that all join us guy in such a sleep then. Oh, can we hope to see you again? We'll see. Don't get it's 5 o'clock right now. Oh. Mommy, I think they're gonna do another church bell. Guys, we might not able to exit yet. Huh? All right. But I just want to see it closer to the St. Luke's Church.
Okay, maybe when it starts. It's hard to watch.
It's gonna chime. We're waiting for that bell to chime again. You might want to hear it. It's gonna chime again. But I think it's gonna chime again. It's gonna chime again. But I think it's gonna chime again. It's been 11 minutes since we have recorded. We still got time. But we're gonna hear another one. We might able to hear another church bell. It's 5 o'clock. Now. It's already 5 o'clock. We're not done yet, but we still have to hear another church bell. Oh, look at that. There it is. I can see it. Oh, I can see the lights flashing. Oh, shoot. Did I got you in the camera? Oh, did I record you? Oh, 1 minute before the bell chimes. Mommy, we have about 1 minute before the bell chimes. We have 1 minute, but I want to sit in the car for a second. But I'm not gonna get you in the camera. When I hear it, I'm gonna get out of the car.
Sure. Let's see if it doesn't happen, but 5:05 is probably not happening.
I think it does.
Okay.
It does happen. Might want to hear it again.
Cops.
Oh, shit. But we're still gonna hear the church. Was that the cops?
Yeah.
They were pulling us over.
No.
We didn't get arrested.
No.
I don't think it chimes again.
I don't think so.
But I think there's 1 minute.
I'm like hiding out. If they're not done by 5:05, let's go, okay?
But I don't think. Oh,
It's just Kiki.
just, I don't want to do this right now.
Yeah, no.
But it. Oh, no, let's not call her yet.
Hey, Josh, I don't think it's happening.
Huh? Oh,
It's already 5:05.
yeah. But I don't think it chimes again.
Okay, let's wrap it up.
I think that's it, Mommy.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, let's end the video.
I gotta put on my seatbelt. Alright, you guys, we'll see you next time.